Hello students, in this video I am going to share with you the vacancies advertised by Indira Gandhi Center for Atomic Research. It is in Kalpakkam, Tamil Nadu, and it is under the Department of Atomic Energy, Government of India. As you can see from the screen, there is a direct recruitment of number of posts, and out of those there is post of stenographer grade 3 also, and the number of vacancies are 4. All the 4 vacancies are unreserved, and the education qualifications are matriculation or SSC or equivalent with 50% marks. And the next is minimum speed of 80 words per minute in English shorthand and 30 words per minute in English typing. Desirable is knowledge of computer data processing. Age limit is 18 years to 27 years as on the date of receipt of online applications. They have indicated the emoluments also. It is 25,500. The method of selection is the process of selection involves 2 levels, that is level 1 objective written test and level 2 stenography skill test. Level 1, the written test will be of 1.5 hours duration, comprising 100 objective type questions. Each question shall carry 3 marks for correct answer and 1 negative mark for incorrect answer. And they have indicated the objective test covering also. You can see from the screen. Then comes the level 2 stenography skill test. Minimum speed of 80 words per minute in English shorthand and 30 words per minute in English typewriting. Qualifying standards for level 1 and 2 will be 50% marks for UR. The number of candidates to be shortlisted for level 2 stenography skill test shall be in the ratio of 1:20. So for one post they will select 20 candidates. Then comes final selection shall be on the basis of weightage of marks secured in the level 1 40% and level 2 60%. Then they have mentioned the event of a tie following criteria shall be adopted in sequence for deciding position in merit list. That's normal. Candidate with higher marks in level 2 shall be placed higher. Then comes date of birth and then alphabetical order of name. Since the post falls in group C, the online test for this post will be held in the following centers: Chennai, Coimbatore, Kanchipuram, Madurai. The opening date for online application or registration is 15th April and the closing date is 14th May 2021. The website address of the center and the procedure to apply is given in the advertisement, and I am attaching the link of the advertisement also in the description. Those candidates who are eligible and interested can apply for this post. Let me add here one point which is very important, that one of my online students had cleared the same exam last time, and she has worked here for a few months also and has given a very good feedback about this institute. It has a very good hospital, it has staff quarters also and good environment to work at. That's all. Thank you.